Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I got something from the United States, something interesting inside. Let's find out what it is. Oh, what? So first, they came out with Cup Noodle Pumpkin Spice. I really liked that one quite a bit and did a lot of things with it. Then they came out with Cup Noodles Breakfast, which was supposed to be like, pancake, syrup, sausage, that kind of thing. Well, now they have Cup Noodle Everything Bagel. Yeah, and let's see what we got here. So we got this box. It's not as tall as, maybe kind of like a shoe box. And it says Everything Bagel. And then it's got this building on the front. And I took the liberty of taking a look at this thing a second ago, and just wait for it.
Get out of here.
So this is like a special media kit. There's a photo sensor in here, so when the box is open, it plays that audio. It's got a little I Love Cup Noodles pin. It's got one of the Everything Bagel cups, and then it's got this New York City water, which I think is interesting. And then it's got this card. And the card is kind of shaped like an Everything Bagel. That's a seriously seasoned Everything Bagel. But yeah, it says, "No one bagels like the Big Apple. Slurp up the new limited edition Cup Noodle Everything Bagel with cream cheese with an extra Gotham twist. Add a splash of New York City's renowned water and be transported to the best bagel shop in the city. Get out of here and experience a new way to bagel like never before. Exclusively available at Walmart." So, yeah, my wife got me 2 of these, and I just got done doing reviews of the Cup Noodle Everything Bagel. And here's what it looks like, and I also did it on a bagel. I think going with it the straight way is a little bit better, but you be the judge. You can put it on a bagel too. But yeah, here's the cup in all its glory. 4 minutes in the microwave. Let it sit for 1 minute and you're done. You put room temp water to the fill line, and that is that. It's yeah. There's a shot of the ingredients info. I'm guessing the number on it is an 070662 or something like that. It's kind of funny. I've reviewed so many instant noodles, I remember what the first part of the barcodes for different brands are. It's kind of jacked up, but yeah, limited edition Everything Bagel. And I should mention also they did bring back the breakfast one, so you can get that one right now at Walmart too. I believe these are supposed to be $1.18 each, and you can also find those on the Walmart's.com. You can actually buy them at that. When the breakfast variety came out, they had a third party doing it, and they were like charging frickin' $9 a cup. It was stupid, and I'm pretty sure the folks at Nissin were like, "Whoa, that's not what we signed up for." So anyways, yeah, pretty cool. Well, thank you very much for the folks down in California at Nissin Foods USA for sending this over. I really appreciate it. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoy your noodles each every day. Have a good one.